My name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to search for property information in Panama, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Public Registry website. Let's get started. Did you know that you can access public registry information? Like, for example, if you bought a land or if you have an apartment unit or any type of property through the Public Registry of Panama. I'm going to show you how to access the website and search for information. First, you have to access the URL www.rp.gov.pa. So once you're there, you're going to see the homepage with several options, and you will see the access to consulting. In order to have an account, you have to go to where it says registrarse, which means register, and create a new account. Once you have a new account and you have a user and a password, you can access it and click that you are not a robot and ingresar. Okay. And you'll see at the left side of the screen some options. Where it says folios, this is where you're gonna access public information such as corporations, which is mercantil, and for properties, which is our case today, you have to check where it says inmuebles, which means properties. The folio number is the property number, it's the finca number, which is the number that is registered to your property. Also, you can access by searching the owner, who is the owner of a property, by putting here the name of your name, for example, of the name of your corporation or your private foundation. But in this case, we're going to search by number here and buscar, which means search. Okay. And then you'll see here different finca numbers, the same, but they have different locations. You see 4 and 9 and 8, and the ones that start with 8 mean that they are located in Panama, and the ones that start with a 9 is like Veraguas province, and 4 is like Chiriquí province, and like that. But this one, the one we're gonna check in this case, is this one that is here. Okay, so here you'll see the finca number. This one is a unit, so it says propiedad horizontal, which means that it's linked to a type of apartments. It's a building, it's not just land. It's a building with apartment units. The location, you see the how many square meters or how the unit has. The initial value is not the current value, it's just the initial value. And also, if you click on the different here, for example, you will see all the different deeds that are registered under this land. For example, if you want to see it has an encumbrance or it has any mortgage or any registration or sale, you will see it here. You will see that it's, for example, this one has a mortgage and things like that. So basically, this website allows you to search information and also see the floor number, specific information, and let you confirm who is the owner. Where it says propietario, you'll see the name over here. So in order to search this type of information, you have to make sure that you have accurate information to input. Make sure that you have the finca numbers in order to get the best results. Also, if you want to know if someone has any property, you can also search by who is the owner, who is the propietario. And if you encounter any issues, the public registry website can also help you. They have a WhatsApp, or you can go in person also. They can give you information. And this is it. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. And finally, I would like you to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media, and if you're interested in learning more about our services, you can always click in the link below. Bye bye.